Hi there, nice to meet you, and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install VPN totally free on your Windows. For this we just have to go to Chrome Web Store. We're searching on it on Google. You can get the link on the description below. Okay, Google Chrome Web Store. From here we will got a search icon. In this icon we have to search just VPN. When I'll search this, we'll got a lot of VPN, but we have to download the Zen-made VPN because all the VPN need to be total free registration, but this is totally free. You don't need any kind of registration if you want to use this Zen-made VPN. Click on this Zen-made VPN. You can download it directly. No need to search on your browser. I'll give you the link in my description. Then we just have to click on Add to Chrome. Now add extension. After that we have to wait a little bit because it will start downloading. Just wait until it totally downloaded. I thought it is downloaded. Now you can see the VPN is downloaded. Now we have to click on the extension option. This doesn't welcome. Just click on the Zen-made, and here you can see your VPN done. From here you can choose your expected. From here you can choose your expected country, your location, your IP, etc. Then just click on here and streaming service. Done. The VPN is started. You can see right now the Zen-made VPN is started, and here's on the Romania location. You can change it to any location, whatever you want, and the whole world. It also changes your IP. It keeps you safe. It gives you privacy on the internet. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.